Flappy Bird, Flappy, Flappy Bird, Flappy Bird, God damn it. Flappy Bird, Flappy, Flappy Bird, Flappy Bird, God damn it. It's frustrating, it's covered in ads. There's Mario pipes, the background never changes. You might think that this makes it bad, but it's so compelling, it's kind of outrageous. The game was made by Dong Wayne. He's not comfortable with the spotlight, so let's just marvel at the pain and the joy and the sorrow are all mixed up right. Flappy Bird, Flappy, Flappy Bird, Flappy Bird, God damn it. Flappy Bird, Flappy, Flappy Bird, Flappy Bird, God damn it. One thing I've noticed is the game mechanic is very similar to Mario Swim. Dawn loves Mario as much as me. I marvel at the simplicity, but I just wanna beat my high score. Ooh, yeah, I just wanna beat my high score. Ooh, Flappy Bird, Flappy, Flappy Bird, Flappy Bird, God damn it. Flappy Bird, Flappy, Flappy Bird. The game was made in just 3 days. Shows ago, you never know what you'll make. Dongs made a lot of games, none just right like Flappy Wings. Flappy, 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 Flappy Wings. Flappy, 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 Flappy Wings. I find it inspiring, he makes it look easy. Much fun, so simplicity, that's Flappy, 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 Flappy Wings. Flappy, 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 Flappy Wings. I just wanna beat my high score. Ooh, yeah, I just wanna beat my high score. Ooh, Flappy Bird, Flappy, Flappy Bird, Flappy Bird, God damn it. Flappy Bird, Flappy, Flappy Bird, Flappy Bird, God damn it. Hope you enjoyed my Flappy Bird song. If you hadn't tried the game yet, you really ought to. It's infuriating and amazing, all rolled up into one. Anyway, thanks so much for all the support on Patreon and the support with the trolls. I don't know where they came from. I'm not used to this. Except in, you know, instances when things go viral, then you expect it. But just on like my own videos, I'm not used to it. Anyway, I'd like to now shout out to everybody that has supported me on Patreon. Going down the list here. Brandon Lopez, thank you. Jason Thrower, thanks. Kevin Price, hey buddy, thank you. Eric, I still don't know how to pronounce your last name. Eric Agsjo, I think I've tried this so many times. Thanks anyway, you know who you are, sir. Thank you. Alex Grant, thanks man, so much. Krista Delano, thank you. Jason Leo, my buddy, miss you dude, thank you. Don Mercer, thanks so much. Eric Ives, thank you. Aisha, we went to school together, thanks Aisha. Megan Poulis, thank you. Sue, thank you Sue. Kyle, thank you. Hattie Turk, thanks man. Benjamin Krupa, thank you so much. Ryan Hennessy, is it Hennessy? Hennessy, thank you. John Sundell, thank you. Pax, good to see you. Pax Gethin, thank you so much. 610 Lemitz, is that how you pronounce your name? Thank you. Deborah Kalins, thank you. Leon, another name, Leon Skogheim, thank you. Glenn at the New Disruptors, of course, thanks so much. Andy Bayo, thanks so much, man. Matt Hamilton, thank you. Lauren O'Connell, she's amazing musician, go check her out, thank you. My mom supports me, surprisingly, thanks mom. Josh Woodward, who we did a collab with yesterday, thanks man. Trina, miss you, thank you, hope the baby's doing good. Rick, good old Rick, he makes covers of my songs that are great, thank you. Outcast Pictures, thank you so much. Brendan Whalen, buddy of mine from LA, thanks. And Dalen H. Ruiz, did I say that right? Thank you to all of you, I really appreciate it. The good news is that you helped me reach $100 a week, which means that I will now do Google Hangouts monthly. So I'm gonna look at my calendar and figure out when to schedule the first one. Before the end of this month, we will make that happen. So thanks again. Love you guys so much. Flappy Bird for the win.